Hi everyone, this is Arctic Expo 2003 video 1. We're currently on the way to the airfield. 2023 even. that's another cock up made this morning. We've bit of a stressful morning this morning. First of all, it was shall we go, shall we wait till tomorrow? We've decided to go as the weather over the channel, the other side, seems to be clearing late afternoon. We didn't really fancy battling through thunderstorms up the narrow sort of air corridor, northern France and Belgium. So at the minute we're on the way to the airfield. We're planning to get on our way and do a channel crossing around about 5 o'clock this evening. Hopefully that all goes to plan. We had a few issues this morning. Went to file the flight plan and neither of us had got any credits, so you know, that stumped us, but we've been in touch with Rob at SkyDemon and he's sorted that out for us. What else? We've had to file a form. What is it? A GDEC form. GenDEC form. That didn't work. Wouldn't accept our departure airfield, so we've had to dock to that. Bits and pieces. So it's been a stressful morning, and we didn't want that. But it's all systems go. Let's hope the journey down to the south coast is a bit easier than the few planning issues this morning. See you later. Stay tuned.